The iPhone SE2 was for the very first time rumored on, let me check, my first iPhone SE2 video was published on, holy shit, 28th of November 2017. It's been 2 years since the iPhone SE2 was rumored. So what I'm trying to say is that take this video with a pinch of salt. So Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has predicted that Apple is working on the iPhone SE sequel, this time for real. According to him, Apple is going to target the iPhone 6 and the 6s owners with the upcoming iPhone SE2. As per how the iPhone SE2 is going to look, we have a vague statement that the iPhone SE2 may sport a iPhone 8-like design. So like the iPhone 8 from the front or the iPhone 8 from the back, because honestly from the front, these two things are absolutely ancient and don't make any sense at all in a 2020 smartphone, even if that smartphone is a bit cheaper. So that's why I think that looking like iPhone 8 meant looking like iPhone 8 from the behind, not from the front. But if Apple does use the iPhone 8's design for the front of the iPhone SE2, then I think it's gonna be a terrible decision. Yes, absolutely, there are some people who would love these big bezels and the clickable home button, but I think more people will appreciate the bezel-less iPhone 8 aka iPhone SE2. As per the price of the new 2020 iPhone SE2, it's expected to be around $400. But given that it's an iPhone and Apple has a bigger ego than this dude, a $500 price point would be a better bet. But as per iPhone standards, with the latest and greatest Apple A13 chipset, same primary camera, Apple updates, security, that iMessage thing, all the other Apple stuff at $400-500 price point isn't really that bad. I know, you can absolutely get much better raw specs on the Android side, but there are people who legitimately only want an iPhone, nothing else will work, and for those people the iPhone SE2 is directed. This new iPhone is expected to launch on the first quarter of next year, so we should expect this in Apple's March event, usually around the end of March. Overall, this is going to be one of the best and most powerful smallest phones. We usually don't get small phones that often. The Galaxy S10e is I think the only running contender right now, so iPhone SE2 doesn't really have that much of competition, and since it's an iPhone, the gates for people's wallets are wide open. Like I have already made clear in the start of the video, the iPhone SE2 leak started back in the day when dinosaurs walked on the earth, so you know what I'm getting at? A pinch of salt. Let me know guys, would you be interested in this iPhone SE2 for $400-500? I think it's kind of good. If they don't use this design, I would be okay with it. I will cover everything about the future iPhones, SE2 and other iPhones, so for that, subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed, and as always guys, thanks for watching.